All right. Congratulations. You made it to 10.3. You are almost done. Let's knock this out. We're on 10.3, number 10. It says, in a survey, 49 people received a flu vaccine before the flu season. 63 people did not receive the vaccine. Of those who received the flu vaccine, 16 people got the flu. Of those who did not receive the vaccine, 17 got the flu. Make a two-way table that shows the joint and marginal relative frequencies, all right? And I want to stress relative, because remember, relative means the percentages, okay? All right, so for the sake of education, first I'm going to set up a table that just shows the joint and marginal frequencies, not the relative frequencies, okay? All right, let's do it. A little bit of a chore, but we got plenty of time. 49 people receive a flu vaccine, and 63 people did not. So to set this up, I'm going to say received, and then did not. Okay? You either received the vaccine or you did not. And then, setting things up, here I'll call this, I'll be really thorough, I'll call this vaccine. And then over here, we have whether or not you got sick. So I'll call this sick or flu, right? Sick, getting the flu, same thing. So this is flu, no flu. Right? You either got the flu or you did not. All right. Cool. So we built a table. All right. Now we're going to do, it asks us for the joint and marginal relative frequencies. Right now we're just doing the joint and marginal frequencies. So I'm going to add a total column. All right. To both sides. All right. Now we got this all built. Now we can, that's sort of the hardest part, I think. Now we can start putting in numbers. It says 49 people received a flu vaccine before the flu season, right? So if I look at my vaccine, 49 people received this vaccine. So down here I can write 49. 49 total people received, right? 63 people did not receive the vaccine. That goes here. I go to my did not, I go all the way down. The total people who did not receive the vaccine is 63. And then it says, of those who received the flu vaccine, 16 people got the flu. So now I go to this, of those received, which means we're in this column, there were 16 who got the flu. So that's going to go there. Okay? Of those who did not receive the vaccine, 17 got the flu. So I'm going to write, now I'm going to go into my did not, 17 over here. Now, that's all the information they gave us, right? And it asks us to make a two-way tables to show the joint and marginal relative frequencies. Well, relative frequencies were the percentages, right? Right now, they've just given us the total number of people. And they haven't even given us all this. But I'm going to argue that with the information we do have, we can fill in everything else. Let's give it a shot. So my total number of people who received is 49. I know 16 people didn't get sick. So to find this missing value, ooh, that's cool if you can see my calculator. You can see my calculator, that's great. This is just going to be 49 minus 16. It gives us this value right here, right? 49 minus 16, 33. All right, and then if we do the same thing over here, 63 minus 17, 46. That's the number of people then 46 would be the number of people who did not get a vaccine but did not get sick. All right, so we're cooking on gas now. Can we find this total? This total is an important one. It's the total number of people, right? And it would just be if we tally these two up, 49 and 63. 49 plus 63 gives us 112. Okay. And then we can total these up too, 33 and 46, 79, and 16 plus 17 is 33. All right, so all we've done now is we found these are the joint and marginal frequencies, but they ask us to find the relative frequencies, right? So we're still not done, we're close. It's going to get a little tight, but I don't want to redraw all this, so I'm just going to switch colors, all right? So blue here was relative, joint, and, blue was joint and marginal frequencies. Green is going to be our joint and marginal relative frequencies, okay? So to find the relative frequencies, once we've set all this up, relative is just some percentage of the whole, right? Well, I know 112 people, that's how many people were in this study in total, right? So if I want to find the percentages of the whole, I'm just going to go around and put all these numbers over 112, and that gives me my relative frequencies. So this would be 16 over 112. This would be 33 over 112, 49 over 112, 63 over 112, 46 over 112, 17 over 112, and then we can do it even over here, 33 over 112, 79 over 112. So just to be super crystal clear, these green values, these are all our relative frequencies, okay? And then remember, the joint frequencies were the ones on the inside, the marginal frequencies are the totals on the outside, okay? And that should be enough to answer this question.